So ayun, dahil nagugutom na kami, pinisita namin ang isang food trip cafe dito sa Mandela, Quirino. And syempre, sunulit na namin dahil sinubukan din namin ang kanilang homemade pizza. And I would like to thank to the owner of the Food Trip Cafe who served the pizza for us. Thank you, sir.